Anybody remember how back in the day unboxings were actually a cool experience? Yes, it's been widely rumored and it's finally here. Meet the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition. And sure, we're not new to OnePlus special edition smartphones, but this one is not just a different coat of paint. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let me tell you what makes this phone so cool. Let me begin with the box. To be honest, I've unboxed so many products, never one with a box this heavy, and I had to travel with it for around 2,000 miles. The unboxing experience is separated into three parts. To begin, we've got the McLaren signature papaya orange in an interesting texture with the OnePlus logo in one corner, the McLaren logo in another, and a salute to speed dead center. McLaren is famous for its use of carbon fiber in race car designs, so expect to see a lot of that going forward, starting with the interior box. We lift open the flap and a lot of heft starts to make sense. There's a booklet at the top and accessories at the bottom. There's a carbon fiber OnePlus 6T case with a McLaren logo, and below it is a neat and exclusive surprise. Encased in a glass box is a McLaren Speedmark logo, recreated in original McLaren design F1 AA grade carbon fiber. And the company claims that this is the same material used on the MCL 33 2018 Formula One car. To the right, we have OnePlus's new charging standard, now being dubbed Warp Charge 30. The company claims a day of power in just 20 minutes on a charge, all without slowing the charge down if you use it, because again, this is a salute to speed. The USB-C to USB-A power cord comes with a braided papaya orange finish, and yes, even the infamous dongle got the same love in its rubber finish. Now, part two of the unboxing experience is this booklet, which celebrates the history of both companies, both McLaren and OnePlus, from their respective launches to where both companies are today, with different stages being portrayed on each page. And there's actually an extra layer to this booklet that I'll discuss more in part 3. What's most important is on the final page, we've got the goods. Let me do the honors of tearing apart this plastic first. And don't judge me, you knew that the screen protector was coming off. You know I don't like these things. Now, this is a very interesting color for the OnePlus 6T. At a glance, it looks like the typical mirror black, but it's actually a very different finish. There's a papaya orange accent found at the bottom borders that fades into black at the top. Under the glass, a carbon fiber finish that's quite nice, but sadly not easily visible in this light. Best of all, not sure if there's some sort of coating on this finish, but it does fight fingerprints well. Now for part 3, you actually have to set up the phone. And while nearing the end of the process, there's an invitation to experience more of the booklet through AR. Point the camera of the OnePlus 6T, and nearly every page includes a video that details the beginnings of McLaren and also the beginnings of OnePlus. Quite the nostalgia boost for any true fan of either brand or both. Once the setup is over, there are some unique wallpapers exclusive to this phone and a McLaren theme in black and papaya orange. And for those of you asking what the salute to speed is between your OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition and a typical OnePlus 6T, it's got everything to do with what's inside. We've got your typical Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, but then this phone starts at 10 gigabytes of RAM. 10. And since Project Boost on Oxygen OS uses leftover RAM to speed its performance, this is what they mean by a salute to speed. It helps this phone be faster than anything. Our unit has 256 gigs of storage, and the rest is the same powerful bells and whistles that we've already praised of the OnePlus 6T in our full review. So yes, this is the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition, not just a hot coat of paint over the phone we knew. This is actually one of the fastest, most powerful phones money can buy, and it's not even priced at a special edition level. The whole experience is quite irresistible at just $699. Expected to launch on December 13th in North America, Europe, and India, with China following soon after. So let us know what you think about the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition in the comments down below. And while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.